Micron stock has exploded. But is this real growth or just AI hype? Micron is not a flashy app company. It started more than 45 years ago and became one of the world's major memory and storage chip makers. In simple terms, Micron makes the chips that help devices remember information, store data, and move it quickly. Its products include DRAM, NAND, SSDs, and something called HBM. DRAM is short-term memory that helps computers think fast. NAND is long-term storage, used in phones, laptops, and solid-state drives. HBM, or high-bandwidth memory, is ultra-fast memory placed right next to powerful AI chips inside data centers. That last part matters. AI runs in data centers, which are massive buildings packed with servers. Training and running AI models requires moving huge amounts of data at extreme speed. The more AI companies build, the more memory each server needs, especially high-end memory like HBM. So why is Micron stock rising now? Recently, the company reported record results, including quarterly revenue of $23.86 billion. Demand is strong, and industry supply is tight. In plain English, customers want more memory chips than the industry can easily produce, giving Micron pricing power. But memory stocks are different from software companies. This is a cyclical business. When demand rises, prices and profits surge. Then companies add capacity, supply catches up, and prices fall. AI helps, but it does not erase these cycles. So is this real growth or hype? The honest answer is both. AI demand for memory is real, especially for HBM, which is harder to make and more valuable. At the same time, competition is intense, prices can swing sharply, and Micron depends on complex global supply chains. The key question for investors is simple. Can AI demand last long enough to soften the next downturn, or is this just another memory boom before the cycle turns again? I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice.